guys, I'm Ekansh and you're watching The Awesome Art. So today we'll be learning about crop production and management part 2. So in this video we'll be learning about agricultural implements, sowing, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation. So agricultural implements. In the last video we learned about plow, and here we will be continuing with hoe and a cultivator. So a hoe is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and loosening the soil. It has a long wooden or iron rod. A strong, broad, and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its end. And next we have cultivator. So cultivator, nowadays plowing is done by with the help of tractors driven cultivators. It saves a lot of time and a lot of labor. So sowing. So in sowing we have two parts, traditional tool and seed drill. So let's get started with traditional tool. It is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled in the funnel, which goes down into 2 to 3 pipes which have sharp ends. So these ends pierce in the soil and place seeds there. It is good in use, as if you want to use it you can, but it is a lot of time consuming. Seed drill. Nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with tractors. This sows it uniformly at equal distance and depth. It also ensures that the seeds get covered by soil after sowing. Sowing from seed drill saves a lot of time and labor. Adding manures and fertilizers. So you all would know that the substance which we add in the soil for the proper growth of the plant are known as manures and fertilizers. So continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, the farmers have to add manures to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. And this process of replenishing the soil with the nutrients is known as manuring. So here's the brief detail about manures and fertilizers. So manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste to the field to replenish the soil. So next we have fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. Fertilizers are made in factories. And for some examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate and potash, and NPK, which means nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So next we have fertilizers and manures. This is the differentiate between them. So fertilizers are man-made, and whereas manures are organic. Fertilizer is prepared in factories, whereas manures can be prepared in the fields. Fertilizers do not provide any humus to the soil, whereas manures provide a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in the plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, whereas manure is relatively less rich in the plant nutrients. So now you must be thinking, what are the advantages of manures? So here we go. So manures enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of the gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. So next we have irrigation. So the supply of water to crops at regular interval is known as irrigation. Sources of irrigation are like wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. So all the human beings require water, and so do plants. Plants nearly contain like 90% of water. Like Can you imagine? So thank you guys, that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and I also have a Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description down below. Don't forget to join it.